Hello students, today I am going to tell you what is endocrine system. Sorry for the delayed video. Okay, endocrine system is a system which actually control your ductless glands which secrete chemical substances like hormones that control your whole body. So before starting endocrine system, I'm going to tell you what are glands. So glands are actually a group of tissue that secretes number of hormones. Okay, now what is hormone? In short, we can say that hormones are chemical messenger because they travel through your blood carrying multiple information from one part to another part. They carry masses of your body in a chemical form. So hormones are known as chemical messenger of the body and they are secreted from glands. Okay, and in which the system in which we study glands are known as endocrine system because hormone secretes only for few glands. Okay, now I'm telling you what type of glands are there. Glands are of two types. One are exocrine and second is endocrine. Well, if we are studying endocrine system, I'm telling you that what is endocrine system. So endocrine, only the glands which secrete hormone are endocrine glands, and the system in which we study hormones are endocrine system or endocrinology. Endo means inside, while crine is coming from crinos, which means gland. Okay, exo means outside, again crine means gland. So exocrine glands are those glands which secretes its chemical substance, not hormone. It secretes their chemical substance, which I can say a chemical substitute or a chemical formula or a chemical compound, or I can say cellular substance, yeah, cellular secretion. Its chemical substance outside the lumen. Now what is lumen? Lumen is a empty internal space of your body, like your buccal cavity, your stomach, your kidney, your uterus. These are some pancreas, bile duct. These are some lumen in your body. These are some empty space in your body. So what exocrine gland do? Exocrine secrete their chemical substance inside the body but outside the lumen. Okay, ब्लड में डायरेक्टली वो पुट नहीं करते हैं, पोर नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि वो कहाँ करते हैं, ल्यूमन में पोर करते हैं अपना पूरा केमिकल सब्सटेंस. वाइल कमिंग टू एंडोक्राइन, एंडोक्राइन मीन्स इनसाइड. दैट मीन्स ये अपना सीक्रेशन डायरेक्टली किस में करेंगे, ब्लड स्ट्रीम में. दे सीक्रेट हार्मोन्स इन डायरेक्टली इनटू ब्लड स्ट्रीम्स. सो व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड? एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड में आते हैं स्वेट ग्लैंड, tear gland, mammary gland, pancreatic glands, salivary gland, sweat gland. These are some example of exocrine gland. While example of endocrine glands, pancreas, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas. These are some example of endocrine gland. Okay.